Click here to register your account and join our professional team. This registration link you will find in the description of this video. Hi everyone, welcome to each and every one of you. Today I am showing you the very important topic, that is what Solmax Group Company, how to reinvest or upgrade your package plan using SMG tokens. Nowadays SMG token price is very low. Okay, if you will withdraw $50 and withdrawal is available in SMG tokens. When will you sell SMG tokens onto any exchange, then you will get $25 according to current price. Okay, you will withdraw $50 SMG tokens. If you will sell it on any exchange, you will get $25 because its price is very low. Okay, so the reason is you can reinvest same SMG tokens, okay, to upgrade your package plan in this way. Okay, but Solmax Group Company, okay, if you will reinvest, here is price is high and good, you can reinvest. Okay, see how to do this. First, I am after logged in Solmax Group Company your account, then okay, just click where shop. Okay, after clicking onto shop, as you will see here, this screen will appear. Click here packages. After clicking here packages, I want to upgrade my package plan $25. Select your package plan, in this case smart package plan, $25. Just click here to next. Here is this option SMG.TO. okay, I am clicking here. As you will see here, $25, 2500 SMG tokens. If you check the price onto our website, 2500 SMG equal to $15. Okay, current price $15. But if you will reinvest, okay, or upgrade your package plan using SMG tokens, here is $25 equal to, okay, $15, $25. It means that $10 you will get great benefit if you will reinvest or upgrade your current package plan. Okay, its price onto a website as Solmax Group is good and high. If you want to sell or reinvest on it, you can reinvest it. Okay, click here SMG.TO. After clicking here, it will go on Payments.net. okay, now just click here. Okay, after clicking here, as you will see here, total SMG is 2500. Just click here to complete it. Okay, just copy this and send equal 2500 SMG tokens on Payments.net. okay, or make sure to send enough to recover any Queen transaction fees. Okay, if you will send maximum, okay, 2500, or 2550 SMG tokens. That's good. Okay, to recover fees. Don't send below this amount. If you will send below this amount, your transaction will not complete it on queenpayments.net. You must be careful. Okay, just copy this address. Okay, copy and paste on to where? SMG.TO wallet. As you will see here, I am opening it on the Android mobile because it's okay app you can use onto your Android or iPhone mobile. It's app. Okay, SMG.TO wallet. After logged in, my SMG.TO wallet balance is 4187 SMG tokens. Okay, you must have BNB balance for fee transactions. Okay, just $5. Okay, or $10, as you will your transaction will be successfully completed. In this way, I will send it $2500. Okay, just click here to send. After clicking here send, but in this case I am sending total, okay, approximately 2600. Okay, for fee transactions you must be careful. Okay, $100 more in this case, because maybe Queen payments transaction fee deducted, anything else. Okay, after typing here 26, then paste that wallet address here, SMG wallet address. Okay, make sure everything is correct and clear. Okay, double check your wallet address. Okay, final step is what? Click here to send wallet address and payment. Okay, make sure it's more than 2500. Then click here to send. As you will see here, transaction will be successful. Just click here to OK. After clicking here OK, now I am checking my balance. As you will see here, now my balance is 1587. Okay, transaction is in processing. This is the transaction history. Okay, in this way, okay, my transaction will be successful. Okay, I have sent it from smg.to wallet. Click here to continue. Okay, it will be succeeded. My transaction will complete it successfully. As you will see here, my current package plan is starter and packages loyalty account. You can see the difference here. When you upgrade your package plan or reinvest, then you can see the difference here. And after 24 hours, obviously your daily profits also increases in here. Cash account loyalty, your daily profits will increase here and total loyalty points the difference. Okay, before its value different and now its value is different. Okay, in previous value here, as you will see here, previous value is what? 4375 and 3276. Now its value is 48. How much difference? If you will see this difference, 48 its current value, 125 minus and previous value 4375. Okay, 43750. See the difference. It means that 4375 your loyalty points increase after upgrading your package plan. Okay, and after 24 hours you will see your daily profits. And current package plan is starter. Starter means if I am clicking here shop and packages, okay, and this is the package plan. Okay, current package plan is what? Starter. This is before $250 invested, and now $24 more invested. Okay, $25 more invested. It means that if you calculate both of them, if you calculate 250 plus 25 equal to $275 total package plan. Okay, in this way. Now $25 more added. Package plan name is what? Starter. This package plan. Okay, now I am again clicking here transactions. You can also download your which report in investment report. Click here download PDF. Okay, I am opening it on another browser. Just clicking here download PDF. If I am clicking here download PDF, it will download it automatically. Okay, just click here and show more, then click here to open it. Okay, today's date 17th October 2021, invoice number, okay, user ID and total amount $25 in this way. But if you will invest using your SMG tokens onto Solmax Group Company, there is also $10 profit and discount. Why? I have invested only $15 and my package plan activated $25. Okay, because here is SMG token price on Solmax Group Company. Here is SMG token price is high. Okay, because it's company own token, SMG tokens, in this way. Okay, I hope you will understand everything. Okay, in this video. Everything you can understand, because many old investors are confusing how to invest or reinvest or upgrade their package plans using SMG tokens. In this way you can, okay, to complete your transactions or complete your upgrading package plan using SMG tokens. Okay, but you must be noted your amount will be actual. Okay, $25, $50, $100, because it's package plan. There is no custom entering or manual entering for your package plans. Okay, it's equal numbers. $25, as you will see here, $50, $100. Okay, in this way, $250, $500, $1,000 in this way. Okay, I hope you will understand everything about SMG tokens or SMG.TO wallet. Okay, and upgrading package plan. Thanks.